Assalamu alaikum and very warm welcome to all of you. Today we'll talk about the sinusoidal signals, especially the time domain versus the frequency domain sinusoidal signals. In signal and system, understanding how signals are presented in different domains is a fundamental concept. A signal can be described in time domain as x of t, where it varies with time because the independent variable t here signifies that it's a time domain signal. Similarly, in frequency domains, it is represented x of omega, where omega is frequency in radians per second. So if we look at the two figures, you see that these are the two sine waves, right? And they are, you understand, sine wave or cosine wave, they are periodic with a period of 2 pi. So if we plot this form from t equals to 0 to 4 pi, we will have the two cycles of this one. So again, on the left is x of omega, where x of omega equals to sine of omega, and again we have plotted its two cycles. So if we compare them, we have x of t equals to sine of t and x of omega equals to sine of omega. So here independent variable is t, it's a time domain, and the signal changes with time. This is called the time domain signal. Similarly, if we have the similar sinusoidal signal, right, it's not the Fourier transform of this signal, okay? We just talk about how the two, how the sinusoidal signal look in frequency and time domain. So of course they look the same. So in case of frequency domain signal, the independent variable is omega, and you understand the value of x of omega changes with respect to omega. So the function changes with frequency. This is called the frequency domain sinusoidal signal. So to summarize, x of t equals to sine of t, and x of omega equals to sine of omega. So if we plot the graph of both, we will see they are identical or similar, with the exception that in case of x of t, the independent variable is t, and in case of x of omega, independent variable is omega. So these are mathematically similar forms, but they represent signals in different domains. This lecture is part of Signal and System Foundation course with Python. So that's all. See you in the next lecture. Goodbye.